All right, 4.8, solving problems with trigonometry. All right, so I am going to actually write down the word problems like on the paper because I'm going to underline stuff and all of that, and it's just going to be easier when you go back to study if you have them. So, number 2, from a point.
Wait,
no notes?
Nope.
Nice. Let's see it.
100 feet from its base. Because these are all just word problems.
I thought you said space, from space, and it says its base.
The angle of elevation of the top of the arch of Septimus Prime in Rome, Italy.
Wait.
Not like the Transformers. Is 34 degrees, 13 minutes, 12 seconds. How tall is this monument?
What is that thing? The arch of the what? Oh, no.
Septimus Prime.
What is that?
I don't know. But it's not a Transformer.
Who thought it was
No, I didn't.
Optimus Prime?
Ah, that's
Optimus Prime. Yeah.
That's funny.
I thought someone like genuinely asked you like last year, like, oh, is that a Transformer? And
They probably did.
And I was like,
In the within the last 2 years, I'm sure somebody has,
I
but
know that's what I was gonna say, Taylor. And then I was like, I better ask first.
Does this mean we're gonna have homework?
no.
Okay. Thank you.
How many more sections do
In this chapter?
Yeah.
This one.
we have? Nice.
Why is my pen?
Hold up. When's our
Keep it
test
down.
gonna be then? Friday. We've been over this. No, our
Well, the quiz is gonna. Yeah.
And test is on
That's what I
Wednesday.
Wednesday?
No, test Tuesday.
Tuesday. It was you were debating between Wednesday and Tuesday.
I think that was for the quiz, but then I was like, "Oh, y'all aren't gonna be here on Wednesday because that's what
Yeah, that you-
somebody
Our
had told
quiz
me."
is only on 3 sections, technically.
Yes.
I need to find that.
No, it's on.
Oh, wait, no,
it
I know
says
where I
not
can-
4.5 or 4.6.
Correct.
So 4.4,
So it's
4.7, and 4.8.
Okay.
And then the test will be on.
Because we didn't,
all
we didn't do
thing.
4.5 and 4.6. Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
So what, 4.4?
If you want, we can go back and do them.
No, thanks.
But
Remember I brought it up. I was like, why are we
Graphing.
skipping them?
Oh,
And
yeah,
it's
I
all
do.
graphing. And I'm like, guys, I'll start crying. If we go back, I will start
I do
crying.
remember this.
all right. So key things in this that I'm looking at: from a point 100 feet from its base. The angle of elevation of the top of the arch is 34 degrees, 13 minutes, 12 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to need to convert that entirely into degrees for the sake of doing
Is
this
this
problem.
technically a triangle?
Yes.
We did this earlier in a different section.
And then how tall is this monument is what we're trying to answer.
Go team!
One.
Oh yeah, we did it in 4.1.
All right, so how do we convert? I'm going to convert that first, and then we'll draw the picture because I need the degree measure, so.
It's 35,
34?
I mean 34 plus 13 over 60 plus 12 over 3,000. And then you do that math.
I didn't need a calculator.
Am I dumb? Because on the quiz, I literally made this so much harder than
Oh no. Well, everybody knows
that I didn't invite anybody to Easter. You know, oopsies. Anyways, here we are.
Okay, 44 plus.
That's not how we write it.
13 divided by 60.
Got 34.3.
Alright. Is your calculator in radians?
That doesn't. Well, it doesn't matter for this, but
I'll probably just did it
I
wrong.
got 34.22.
Okay,
That's what I got.
mine is spazzing out. I'm sorry, give me a minute. Wait a minute, what happened?
I don't know, Taylor, what did happen?
I don't know. It said error.
That's what I got. No, I didn't. I got 2.5. What?
Oh.
Wait.
34.22. That's what I got.
How did I not?
Holy crap! I did the right thing once. Ariel.
I got a fraction.
In math. Let me rephrase. In math.
How did I get the same exact number?
I got 34.2. I got it right.
did you do 12 divided by 3600?
What?
You did 12 divided by 3600.
Yeah.
What number did it give you?
34.25.
No, like what is 12 divided by 3600?
0.003333333333 with a lot more threes.
Point
I-
0.03. Yeah.
I kind of did
0.003.
that. I don't know how it worked, but that's how I
What's
got it.
13 divided by 60?
It's like it gave me a fraction.
I did it all individually. So did I. I did
0.216.
Wait, so you did like 13.
That's it?
divided by
That's where it
60?
stops?
No, 6
And then
keeps
you
going
did
all the way to 7.
Yeah, okay. That's what I had too. But I did it separately. Like I did 13 divided by 60 and then I did 12 divided by.
Yeah, then you just added them all together.
Yeah.
And you got 34.22.
Hold
Yeah.
on, let me.
Of course, let's hope so.
So you did this.
Well, that's why I'm confused. I'm like, wait a second.
Well, how do you add it all together? 34 plus.
And then you use your little arrows to go up and hit enter. Here, I'll show you. Feels so nice. I'm like, what do you mean? How do you add it all together? Yeah, and keep going. Go up to that one. And hit enter. Oh, you didn't hit the. Oh, yeah, you did. And then hit plus again. And go up and hit enter.
Wait, how
That's
did you do that? You
crap.
can get like
I
the
got
exact
it.
so you do,
Why can't you just go straight across?
Wait, you
Because
first
it'll
have
be
to
the
do-
answer, apparently.
right?
Divided
And
by
you get
60, then
It could.
divided by
Your calculator, unless you put parentheses, your calculator's not as smart as you think it is.
That's how you wore your hair yesterday for Easter. Enter.
I didn't even
Oh
recurl
my
it. I just left it.
gosh.
That's how I wore my hair. I did
That
recurl
is
it
so
because it was
cool.
really greasy because my grandma decided to play with my
Alright.
hair.
This water is good.
I have been enlightened.
All right, so now we need to draw a picture of this. So a point 100 feet from its base. There you go.
Nice. Why do you have to draw a picture?
You'll see in a
So we know what
second.
we're doing.
The angle of elevation, okay, so going up is that new 34.22 degrees.
Oh.
Sorry. Excuse me.
So then I'm trying to find how tall it is. So I'm trying to find that side. So I need to decide what trig function goes with that so that I can solve for it.
Oh, this is not difficult.
The only thing that's like hard about it is the setup of it.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Sometimes, for some of them.
It is
Cosine?
tangent. It's tangent.
It is tangent. Don't listen to me.
Tangent of 34.22 equals.
My hands still smell like onions.
Equals x over 100.
Oh my gosh, I have a dentist appointment today. Again?
Oh.
Joelle, why does this keep happening?
What time?
At 11, so it's during Bible I have a class. dentist appointment.
Why is it
next
always
Monday.
during Bible?
Because I make it so that it goes into my study hall. I'm only missing 5 minutes of Bible. Well, 10 minutes.
All right, so make sure you're in degree mode now, though, because this will matter.
I got it. Praise the Lord for my mom. 68.01. I don't know what you want. This has never happened to me before. I would have been.
Biscuit.
Why did I get a negative number? And that was not the number I got. Hold on.
I didn't get that number either.
You in degrees?
No, I'm not in degrees.
I'm in
That would
radians.
be the reason.
Gosh dang it.
I got what Ariel got.
Ariel,
What?
what's going on? I don't know what you're doing.
Yes, that's also what I got. You
This
know,
is simple. You just have to put things in your.
I still didn't get that number.
Oh Jesus! Let me see.
What the heck? I put it in degrees.
Let me see. What are you doing?
you know, without my mom, I don't
No,
know
you
that
just-
I'd
you
be
just
able
cleared it
to
out.
No, I didn't. It
Yes,
doesn't
you
work
did.
like that.
That I have a
It
dentist
doesn't work like
appointment,
that.
so
Go
she
back
did it,
and
then I
degree.
forget.
You hit clear. That's how you get out of it.
And you start looking at my calendar.
Okay, you do it then, and then you let us know what you get. If you get it right this time, congratulations.
I did.
See, I make my dentist appointments, and then my mom reminds me when they are.
All of that for one problem, guys.
I don't
All
like
of that
this.
for one problem.
All right. The next problem, I'm not going to write every single little word of it because there's a lot of just like fluff information that you don't need. So it's about a baseball stadium. So
Gross.
see, that's why I knew that problem sounded familiar.
You know
Why
what?
did you
Baseball.
both color hair today?
I was already
Yours was called
curled.
from Easter. Mine was also called from Easter, but then I showered because my grandma messed with my hair, and I realized yesterday because I woke up late for church that I could curl my hair in 15 minutes, so
Same.
I did it today. It was quite the accomplishment.
Well, I slept in my curly hair. It doesn't look good, but here we
Mine doesn't either. I also slept on it.
All right, so this first part is fluff information, and then we'll write down the rest of it. The top row of the red seats behind home plate at Cincinnati's Riverfront Stadium is 90 feet above the level of the playing field. So I'm gonna 90 feet above level of the playing field.
Someone's having a fight with the lockers.
Sounds
I have
like
a
it.
fight with my locker. It won't close.
The angle of depression. It's important, so the angle of depression
What is that?
to the left field. You'll see in a second. To the left field wall
I take pride in
is 14 degrees.
I would take pride in my handwriting if I had your handwriting, but I
Me
don't.
too.
So I don't take pride.
Me neither.
My armpit.
And then the question, how far, thank you for letting us know
You're
that,
so welcome.
is,
higher costs next year.
I hope Chase enjoys that,
Algebra 2.
is the base of the left
I
field
don't care what they think. It's okay.
wall from a point on level ground directly below the top row.
I really thought that said to left field was is, and I was like, wow.
Gosh dang it. Okay, there we go. Oh, this is comfortable.
It'll be a long day with you. You signed
Sighing? Why? I'm not sighing at all.
You just did!
Well, we're not going to eat lunch in the cafeteria until Thursday.
That's great.
That's weird.
Wait, what are you doing
Oh,
today?
that's so
We have a class
great.
officer meeting.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have to practice for national anthem.
Oh, duh.
And on Wednesday we're going to salsa. I'm so excited.
Maybe we can find a
Me
way to
too.
have to eat there
Mm.
Thursday.
Speaking of, I'm driving Taylor and Brooke.
Thank you, appreciate it. Because my dad has to
And
go
then-
to work, and then mom
dad's
also
out of
has to go to
town.
work, so that's 2 cars done. But if we drove one of them, then Brooke couldn't go back to praise band after school because I have to go somewhere else to get my dress checked. So we didn't have enough cars, and we were like, oh no,
Nice.
not good, guys.
Well, my dad's out of town again.
I actually got
Another 2 weeks.
that.
All right, so we're going to draw a cute little baseball field.
Great. The only reason I probably won't be able to get any of this is because, hey, guess what? I don't know how to draw at all. And I
You'll be
don't
alright.
really like
I don't
what
either.
I feel in my whole life. Why does it look like that?
Because that's what a baseball field looks like.
It looks like this.
Okay, in all reality though, going to a baseball game, well, y'all are all gonna probably disagree except for maybe Stacy. Actually, like, going to a baseball game is fun.
It is.
But, like, watching it on TV is not
So
fun.
boring.
Horrible.
Unless it's like, literally like the playoffs or something.
Yeah.
I
Unless
think
it's
it's all
important.
boring.
It looks like a snow
Softball is
cone.
fun to watch though. Maybe it's because it's girls. I don't know.
No, my mind.
Just a very different game.
Just
Yeah,
for me.
softball's kind of fun to watch because
I
it's so
literally was about to say
impressive.
something really humiliating.
We
and
watched
I realized
softball
we're
this
doing
weekend
it,
and the
so-
girl got hit in the shin with the ball. Like the girl hit it and it hit the pitcher in the shin. I felt thinking about it. Just made me-
89 times.
Hello,
Oh,
Chase.
gosh, you're so scary.
Welcome
Why do you
back.
open the door like that?
I'm just opening the door. There's nothing scary
Like a
about
crazy
that.
person.
Thanks.
What are you doing?
Typing
right now?
89 times 8,000. And it said error.
All right, so
No! Oh, that was close.
Hello.
My feet are so comfortable though.
okay, to an extent, I'm drawing this so you see it, but it's not gonna make sense until I actually draw it as a triangle because this triangle is being drawn as if you're like up sitting in the stadium and it's coming out and like down.
Okay.
So you're actually like looking at something like this instead of like sideways, like laying down like
Okay.
that.
Understood.
So it's gonna be like 3D. So until I
Can
like
we only
flip it.
have triangles on the tests and quizzes because I don't understand. I don't like.
This is a triangle.
like
So it's like it's a football stadium, so it has a football stadium.
Well, so that would be a rectangle comprised of two triangles.
Dang it! Now my joke isn't gonna be funny anymore. I messed it up. Dang it! I'm upset with myself now.
Okay, 90 feet above the level of the playing
I'm
field.
gonna take that away from you.
I'm about to too.
So irritating.
This is gonna be 14 degrees. Okay, which I know it does not look like that at all, but that's what it's gonna be.
0.
Yeah, the football field with all of its
Stop.
corners.
You stop. Leave me alone. And?
A second.
And it's annoying to those around you.
Okay, the angle of depression is like the angle like going down.
Is it 'cause-
And also, hold on, I drew this 14 in the wrong spot. Brief pause. That's in the wrong spot.
I also said 40 degrees, so.
Oh no. I left
Hold on.
my eraser.
I have to orient this. This is supposed to be here.
We have approximately 18 minutes.
What?
Wait a second. Brief pause.
Okay, everyone.
Hold on, I have
Brief
to.
pause.
The
Nobody
fact that
knows
it's
where
the
the
fact that
angle's
it's like
supposed to
laying
go.
down is throwing me off. So hold on. It's supposed to be like
Brief
upright.
pause. Nobody knows where the angle's supposed to
Okay,
go.
it's supposed to be right here. Ah! Come back. Okay. It's confusing because it's laying down. That's why I'm saying like once you see it on the triangle it'll make
Yeah,
sense.
it switched to
I want your shoes.
My shoes?
Yeah, they're cute.
Thanks. So Kenny got me for Easter.
Fluffy Crocs.
He got you an Easter gift. Good thing.
Well,
You picked him out.
we both bought our own gifts to like give each other because he knew what he wanted, and so I was like, "We'll just order it, and
Oh,
then
yes,
like
nice.
that'll be like your thing, and then like I'll order mine." Well, I also got him other stuff, and then he felt really bad because he didn't know I was getting him other stuff, so he didn't give me anything else.
So we're looking in.
But he got this like huge basket full of stuff.
And there's like no Easter eggs.
But it was fine.
Ethan, what is wrong with you? Like, why do you not have any eggs? And it's because Gab was collecting his color. And so it was this whole thing that there were so many yellow eggs everywhere, but there was like no orange because Gab was collecting the same color as someone else because she's dumb. Anyways, here we are. And yeah, it was terrible.
What'd you get?
It's tragic.
Well, you can tell me after.
I
you
got
get
a bag of Kit Kats. I got freeze-dried strawberries, lots of Sour Patch Kids, and Swedish Fish, and Starburst. And
So,
$13.50.
I really wish that our
Why
family did those separate colors for different kids thing. Because Brooke did. I reach up to get an egg and Brooke goes, nope. She shoves me aside and then takes it for herself. I'm not gonna lie. If you
it's
ask her,
actually a
she'll
little
admit
funny
to
because
it.
she's short.
I know. Well, you don't see her
There were
running
tons of
then.
Easter eggs underneath the youth house, and I picked them all up.
Oh my gosh, yesterday
I threw them
we were
away.
laying out the eggs for the kids at the church in the morning, and then we were just walking in the graveyard, just putting them there, and then all of a sudden we found a dead cat.
Oh my gosh, in the graveyard?
Yes, a dead cat.
disturbing.
So then we had to run back in and get Pastor Thor and two other members of our church to remove it, so the kids
Can
didn't
you
freak
please
out.
remove the dead cat? That's
And then they were like, "Are you sure it's not just a sleeping cat?" No, it's rotting. We're pretty sure it's a
Ew.
dead cat.
How lovely.
Okay, this one is.
You're great.
This one is tangy as well.
Ask Pastor Thor. He has a picture of it. I don't know why he took a picture of it, but he does have a picture of the cat.
password organized the picture of the dead cat. Like, that's awkward.
Oh, it's 90 over x. Dang it, I again have no erase.
So
Oh, yes.
x equals tangent of 14 over 90.
Nope.
90
90
times.
Other way around, guys.
Just swap
I
those
can't
two
read.
things.
That is true. It's 90 over the.
Make sure you're still in degree mode.
I can't today, guys. My brain.
Oh,
360.9.
How did you do that
Seven.
so fast? Tell me. How did you do that?
Tell her.
360.97.
Yeah, come on.
I can't. She said, yeah, come on.
Tell me. So aggressive. Oh my gosh, I hate Mondays.
Well, guys, if you didn't have Mondays, you would hate Tuesdays.
I did. I got blueberry one.
I already won.
I got strawberry.
I won this morning. I
Oh.
had cream filled.
All right, we're gonna get to see my artistic ability in this next problem,
Yay.
which is very minimal, but
Oh no.
So can the iPad like help you make it prettier? 'Cause I need that.
not really,
Mm.
not really.
My mom is it.
So can we stick with just like a plain triangle though?
No.
Like nothing like a fancy shape.
All right, the world's tallest smokestack at the International Nickel Company in Sudbury, Ontario, casts a shadow that is approximately 1,580 feet long when the sun's angle of elevation measured from the horizon is 38 degrees. How tall is the smokestack?
You're like,
I thought it was going to say horizontal, and then it didn't. And I was
measured
like...
from the horizon.
I thought I was going to say horizontal, which technically was the same thing, but like, whatever. Anyways, okay, so important information. 1,580 feet.
I was telling Patton that quote that Miss Marshall said. Pull your pants down for the picture.
The angle of elevation.
What was the
Jeez,
other one
now.
about Chase?
Yeah, it was hot.
Chase, you're hot. That's what.
38
That's
degrees.
wrong.
Strong and hot.
Oh, I had a teacher tell one of my classmates one time that he was hot.
On purpose?
Okay, basically her hands were like super cold, and he like walked up and his face was like really red, so she like put her hands on his face, and then she was like, "You are hot." And then we're like, she just said that, and then we just like all start dying, and she's like, "Wait, that's not what I meant."
That's basically what
But she totally put herself in that position. That was
Yeah.
all her fault.
Hey,
Miss Marshall?
She made up this scenario, and Chase, of course, was the one who was hot. And then she was like, and Chase, you
He
were
said,
really hot. We were like, what?
That's so
She's like,
funny.
I did this to myself. I was like, yes, you did.
All right, this picture is given to you in the book, but I'm gonna draw it for you. So,
Okay, so the ones like this, we get a picture already drawn. What
Some
is
of
that?
it's a smokestack, and leave room above it because it's going above it.
smoke. I just wrote smock stack.
I didn't leave any room.
Why does that laugh?
I don't know, I shouldn't be here today.
I shouldn't
You
either. I'm
shouldn't be
yawning and I
today.
feel a little bit delirious. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
And my nose is plugged up. Stupid allergies.
Well, maybe it would help if Virginia wouldn't be 80.
Why does it look
Monday
like a
and 40
Z?
Maybe if I took some Mucinex, you know.
It looks
or
like a
some-
Z.
Or
Wait, is that a sun?
I'm gonna draw it in yellow.
Okay, wait, okay.
is that the completed picture?
Yes, I'm just filling stuff in now.
That wasn't bad. Your artistic ability isn't bad.
Not too bad.
Thanks.
You're welcome. The straight line thing really helps.
Just a little bit.
I love this class.
I'm glad.
I need help.
I think we laugh more in this class than we laugh in any other class.
I agree with that.
For sure.
We laugh a lot in Miss Marshall's class though. But
Miss
also
Marshall's
she
so
makes us pay
cute.
attention.
Oh,
I don't like that.
I really have to be.
I really need to get myself together before I go out in the hallway.
Are we doing another one after
I'm
this?
kinda
Why? We don't have anyone
I'm
So
to
can I
do
go to the
that.
bathroom when we finish the problem?
We Wait. Mine looks more like a
Tired,
flower.
I feel a little bit delirious.
Did you
I'm
say
not
no
gonna
or
lie.
not to?
Pull your pants down.
Okay, I'm ready
I have
now.
to tell myself.
No, I'm not. I'm still writing. That's 38, not 36.
Your notes are like copy and paste hers.
I know.
Like
I can't
the
decide what
same
color.
colors. The
I don't
same
ever know what color to use, so I just
everything.
use the same one. It's very old.
Do you have dancing for you tonight?
It's Monday.
And it's really close to their thing.
That's because the 1 week I was in the Outer Banks and last week it was their spring break. Yes, I have it. I'm actually freaking out low key because I don't remember anything and I know she's
Okay.
gonna flip it today and I'm gonna cry.
All right, so I need to know how tall the smokestack is. So what am I using?
Tangent of 38 equals x over 1,580.
Tangent of 38 equals.
So then,
X equals
I got it.
1580 tangent 38.
Are you?
Yep. Good job, girl. Okay, one Tangent of
You're so
38.
slow.
I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4.43.
y'all were arguing about who's gonna say it when I literally was still typing it.
Okay, I'm so excited now.
I just wanted it to be satisfying, so I didn't put the decimal points on there.
Okay.
Unless they were 5, 6.
7.
That'd be so cool. Okay, I'm gonna get now.
If
Thank
it
you
were
for announcing that
six,
for everyone on the video.
Yep.
Thing ever
You're welcome, people.
is when